welcome back to my channel. This is Jack from JC Sandbox, unboxing from Shein and Jarir. Welcome! So guys, welcome back. So this is my order from Shein, and this is what I bought from Jarir bookstore here at Saudi Arabia. So first, I will show you my diamond painting from Jarir. So this is from company called Rocco. This is the first time I bought diamond painting locally, and this is 35 centimeter by 45 centimeter. This is the design. It's a beach, summer beach design. Okay. It says here, including 1 decal adhesive canvas, 5D crystal beads toolkit. So let's see if the quality is the same as what I'm buying in AliExpress. So it's 39 reals. So here's the canvas. It's a the beads looks clear, looks fine. I see some baby beads, or you know, the trash beads. I think this kit is an okay kit. My last unboxing of diamond painting, I think it was almost 1.5 years ago. So the kit is with the ordinary, the pink pen and the boat, green boat with the wax and some, I think 3 pieces of this Ziploc small bag. So here is the canvas. It has 26 colors, 26 different colors, and they are using alphabet and numbers. And it is very clear. As you can see, it's very the printed of the symbols to the canvas is very clear. I think you won't need a light pad for doing this. It says here 45 by 35 centimeter, and you will see also the design at the upper right corner. I think it's a poured glue. They are using poured glue. The canvas is a little, you know, it's like shimmering. They have glitters. It's a little stiff canvas. Okay. I think all in all, it is an okay canvas. Not that superb canvas. I'm hoping this is not pixelated, but I think it is pixelated because as you can see at the picture, it's like a watercolor design, and this part they have a what do you call this, transition of colors, and I hope the finish of this will look fine. We will see. Okay, and the next is from Shein. I bought two. It's my first time to buy Shein cross stitch kit. So it's from Ami Shop. I remember Ami Shop. They also have this name of this Ami Shop in AliExpress. But in Shein, you won't see that the kit is from Ami Shop or Joy Sunday kit. So this is an Ami Shop kit. It is also my first time to receive an Ami Shop kit. So let's unpack first this one. It's called the Dandelion cross stitch pattern. It retails in Shein for 12 reals, but now it's already 23 reals. It's packed in this plastic, and then they have here plastic envelope and have a design and the shop name, Ami Shop, and their contact details in AliExpress and WeChat. It's a 14 count. They are using here the Rosas floss set. So let's see. With red Aida fabric. It is soft, not the stiff one you see on the kit, on some kit. With thread, it's a cotton thread also. I hope the threads are enough. Well, cotton threads are not a problem here But I do have encountered a problem with my silk thread that came from China also. With this E168 thread. With a fabric pen. I think this is washable. With two embroidery needles. I think this is size 26 or 24. Size 24 with threader. So this is the kit, the pattern. Says here Dandelion 2 with stitch count of 100 by 104 stitches. So as you can see, the pattern is very clear. It's colored. So here is the details. It's 14 count by 18.14 by 18.87 centimeters. That is the stitch area. So they have here the here's the floss number. This is the floss thread name. So it says here DMC and how many strands to be used. As you can see, it is mixed. They have one strand of stitch with this symbol. I have to use two strands of thread. They have half stitch, full stitch, French knot, and back stitch. In French knot, they have also combination of thread. Also on back stitch, they also have here in full stitch the combination of thread. So here it is. The Dandelion cross stitch pattern, 14 count from Ami Shop. The next is also from Ami Shop. It is also with the plastic cover. With the plastic envelope. The same as the other. The Ami Shop name, their contact details. With the same beautiful plastic covered design. So they are the same. Says here Rosas floss set, 14 count. So this is called floral cross-stitch pattern. With red 14 count fabric also, very soft. Nice quality fabric. With red. The color of the thread is like spring colors. 30 colors. They have also the fabric pen with 2 needles and a threader. This is the pattern. So it's like spring picture with locust. Says here dandelion 1. So the other one is dandelion 2. So this is 1. Stitch count of 101 by 103 stitches. It's also printed on a regular A4 paper with colors. Lots of back stitches I see. And French knots. So here's the information. It's in 18.32 by 18.69 centimeter. So these are the thread colors. So they have full stitch, half stitch, French knot, and back stitch. In full stitch, they also have the combinations of thread. Also in French knot. Also on back stitch. So this is also my first time to stitch a pattern with combination thread and with half stitches, not just full stitch, and many colors of French knots. So wish me luck. This is for me a level professional stitchers. So I don't know when will I start this. So it is a very pretty pattern though. It's so springy, just like the other one. You see? See? It's very nice. So guys, these are my unboxing for today or unpacking for today. So don't forget to please subscribe. And if you already subscribed, don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified for my next Flosstube. So thank you guys for watching until the end. God bless you all. Bye!